Today I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft SQL to N8n in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful setup if you want to pull data from a database, automate queries, or connect SQL Server to your workflows without wasting time searching through menus. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and practical software guides. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want Microsoft SQL to be added, so make sure you're in the correct project before you continue. Once the workflow is open, head over to the Nodes panel. This is where N8n stores all the available nodes you can add to your automation. In the Nodes panel, search for Microsoft SQL. You can usually just type it in or scroll through the list until you find it. When you see the Microsoft SQL node, click on it to add it to your workflow. This is the step that connects your workflow to the SQL Server related options inside N8n. After adding the node, the next thing you need to do is choose any action. N8n will give you different options depending on what you want to do, such as executing a query, getting rows, or handling database operations. For now, just pick the action that fits your workflow or the one you want to configure next. And that's it, you've successfully started connecting Microsoft SQL to N8n. From here, you can continue setting up your credentials, configuring the node, and building out the rest of your automation. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.